Hello everyone. Let's dive into the MEETION Director-C-2 ergonomic keyboard and mouse combo. This set aims to provide comfort and efficiency for those long work sessions. The first thing you'll notice is the curved keyboard design. It's definitely a departure from the standard flat keyboard, with an arch in the center that's designed to promote a more natural hand position. It might take a little getting used to, but the idea is to reduce strain on your wrists and forearms. The keyboard also features a soft, resilient palm rest that feels great under your hands. It provides excellent support and makes typing for extended periods much more comfortable. MEETION has added a signature orange mode switch on the top right corner, which allows you to switch between two Bluetooth channels and a USB connection. This is a welcome upgrade from previous models and offers great flexibility for connecting to multiple devices. The central lighting display has also been enhanced with additional functional elements, making it both aesthetically pleasing and practical. Both the keyboard and mouse are rechargeable, which is a huge plus. You won't have to worry about constantly replacing batteries, which is both convenient and environmentally friendly. The vertical mouse is another key feature of this combo. Its design encourages a more natural, handshake-like grip, which can significantly reduce strain compared to a traditional mouse. It also has 4 adjustable DPI settings, allowing you to customize the sensitivity to your liking. Many users have praised its ergonomic fit and overall functionality. The Director-C-2 is an exclusive design by MEETION, and they offer dedicated support if you have any questions or issues. Overall, this ergonomic keyboard and mouse combo seems to offer a compelling blend of comfort, functionality, and convenience. If you're looking for a way to improve your typing experience and reduce strain, the MEETION Director-C-2 is definitely worth considering.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.